What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video. Still fishing, of course, but this is not a normal fishing rod. I'm going to be trying fly fishing for the very first time. And this creek, I was down here the other day with just a normal rod and reel, and I caught some cutthroat, caught some little smallmouth. So those are the two target species for today. Hopefully I can get both, but most of all, hopefully I can just get a fish, because I'm not gonna lie, I did go down to my pond and practice casting a little bit with my great grandpa's like old fly reel, which the line on that thing is probably like 60-70 years old. So it wasn't the easiest to learn to cast on, but I did actually catch a couple fish. Caught like a little largemouth and a couple little bluegill. But I mean, I was really just down there in my own pond at my house trying to learn to cast, so I don't really count that as actually fly fishing. So I'm gonna be going down to the creek with my fly rod, which this is a different reel. This is a reel that I actually just bought and put line on and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna get down to the creek and hopefully catch some fish. Okay, let's give this a go. I'm gonna go down there a little closer to the water, or try and fish this pool down here, but might be kind of risky. Made it to the spot I wanted to fish. Had to do a little bit of waiting, but could be worth it if I get one fish. By the way, I've never fly fished, so bear with me. Oh no! I already caught my first tree. This could be the end of my little fly. No, it had to get 2 casts in a row. Oh. Right on top of the hole now with all the fishing. Oh, I got one. Oh, dang it. I know you can see that on camera. I just missed one because I didn't have my line tight. I had a loop around my hand. A little trout, it looked like. But hey, it was a fish. Alright. Somehow made it without falling in. Okay, let's try again. Try and die. Very slick. Oh geez, that was a better trout right in front of me. Like literally right there. Some spot. See if I get. Got him. First one on the fly. Looks like a little cutthroat. It is. Heck yeah. Calm down, buddy. My first fly rod victim right there. Little cutthroat trout. Sight casted that guy. I watched him come up and eat, and then cast it right on top where I saw him and eat it. Nice little cutthroat. Get a release on him. There he goes. Freaking sick. First one on the fly. I want to catch a bass, but I'll take those. Those are fun too. Can't be too picky right now while I'm learning how to use this thing. There's a little one right there. There's one down there too. They're all over the place. These little trout, they're everywhere down here. Got one. Oh, that one's better. That's a better one. Heck yeah. Is he better, or do they just feel big on the fly rods? I don't know. I think he's a little bigger. Oh wait, did I snag him? No freaking way. What in the world? I just snagged a trout with a fly rod. That was really weird. Talk about a perfect cast. I got him in the like back fin too. I forget what it's called. There he goes. Quick release. You know, the fin that they clip for like salmon and steelhead and stuff, the hatchery ones. I caught him by that fin. That was a really weird catch. Well, there's fish number 2 though. I think that fish, I had him hooked in the mouth originally because I could see him like head shaking and stuff. It looked like he was hooked in the mouth. And then he like thrashed and managed to hook himself like that after the fact. So, still counting that as a fish, even though I landed it foul hooked. I do think I had it hooked in the mouth because it looked like I did it first. So, 2 so far. Let's get a little smallmouth. I did catch some smallmouth down here the other day, but I wasn't using a fly, so. There's tons of trout in here right now. So, might be more challenging to catch a smallie than one of those, obviously. Better one. Finally. Oh, it's not better. It's pretty old. That's not a cutthroat though. That's a, oh yeah it is. I didn't see it at first, but it is. Thought it was maybe a little rainbow, but nope. That's a little, another little cutthroat. Way. It's like freaking ice water once you're in it long enough. Can't even feel my feet anymore. I can't feel where I'm stepping. Oh man. I don't know what made me think that it was warm enough for Crocs and swim trunks, but it is not at all. Oh, my knees are frozen. I'm trying to get over to that lower rock. We'll see how that goes. Preferably without dying. Super slippery. Made it. Oh my goodness. One just came up and top water crushed it. I couldn't tell, I think so. Looked like it. Wow. Well, that could have gone worse, but I caught 3 fish, so that's 3 fly fish that I didn't have before. It's actually pretty fun fly fishing. I ended up being down there for like 3 hours, and my feet are still numb from just sitting in that ice cold water. And like the last hour of it was pretty miserable because I was just shivering, but hey, ended up catching 3 fish, my first 3 fly fish, other than those 2 that I kind of caught in my pond that I was just learning to cast in. But yeah, definitely not a pro, and I'm sorry all you fly fishermen who are watching this and they're like, what in the world is he doing? I honestly don't know, so I don't blame you if you think that, but I'm learning and it is pretty fun. So let me know if you guys want to see more fly fishing videos, because the smallmouth fish is only going to get better and I'll actually be able to catch some smallmouth. Didn't catch any today, but I know that they're in there because I caught some on a bait caster down there not too long ago. So let me know if you want to see that, and I appreciate the view. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.